Hi students, today topic is disorders of respiratory system. So what are the diseases belongs to our respiratory system? So first common disorder which is well known to us, that is asthma. Okay now. So it is very well known to us. So what are the symptoms of this asthma? Coughing, difficulty in breathing and wheezing. Okay now. Coughing, difficulty in breathing and wheezing. Why? Because means inflammation of bronchi and bronchioles. Inflammation of bronchi and bronchioles. It means which part of the respiratory system is affected, that is bronchi and bronchioles. Okay now. And it is characterized by the spasm of smooth muscles or the stimulation of smooth muscles present in the walls of the bronchi and bronchioles. So in these diseased persons, allergies, okay, allergies causes release mainly histamine. Releases the what? Histamine. So in asthma patients, allergies causes mainly release what? Histamine and other inflammatory mediators. Okay na? And other inflammatory mediators. Inflammatory mediators. So due to inflammatory mediators, those muscles are present around the bronchioles, they are hyper excitable. Okay now, those muscles are present around the bronchioles, they are hyper excitable and contract. So due to contraction of these muscles, bronchioles becomes narrow. Okay now, bronchioles becomes narrow. Many important points. So in which respiratory disorder bronchioles becomes narrow means, that is asthma and inflammation of bronchi and bronchioles, and allergies causes release histamine. Okay now. And the main important symptoms of this asthma: coughing, difficulty in breathing and wheezing. Okay. First important disorder, that is asthma. And second one, that is bronchitis. Bronchitis. So what are the symptoms of this bronchitis? Here don't confusion. Here also coughing, but chronic cough or the long term cough. Chronic cough or long term cough. Here also cough and here also cough, but here cough with mucus. Okay now, with mucus or sputum, or we can call it as phlegm. Okay now, you have to observe the symptoms between these two diseases. Here asthma, coughing. Here also coughing, but with mucus or with sputum, thick mucus. Okay now, or call it as sputum or phlegm. Okay now. So inflammation of bronchi, here also inflammation of bronchi. Okay. So due to inflammation, swelling of mucus lining of bronchi. Okay now. So due to inflammation, swelling of mucus lining of bronchi. So that's why large amount of mucus here produced. Okay now. Large amount of mucus is produced, and the diameter of bronchi, okay now, or they decrease the diameter of the bronchi. Clear? These are the two main important points about that bronchitis. Chronic cough with thick mucus, okay now, and which part of the respiratory system is affected? Here also inflammation of bronchi, and due to inflammation swelling of mucus lining of bronchi, okay now. So that's why large amount of mucus here produced, and decrease the diameter of the bronchi. Clear? That is about bronchitis. And third important respiratory disorder, that is emphysema. It is also chronic disorder, okay, emphysema, but here alveoli walls are damaged, very important. Alveoli walls are damaged. Which part of the respiratory system is affected? That is alveoli. Alveoli walls are damaged. So alveoli walls are damaged in which respiratory disorder? Like asthma, bronchitis, emphysema. Okay, now it means mainly that is emphysema. Here alveoli walls are damaged. And that is mainly here lungs are very large in size. Lungs are very large in size, but alveoli are very few in number. Okay, alveoli are very few in number. And one more important character of the emphysema, emphysema reduces the elastic quality of the lungs. Okay, now basically lungs are the spongy in nature. Okay, now basically lungs are the spongy in nature, but in emphysema diseased persons, so this disease reduces the elastic quality of the lungs. It means elastic quality of lungs reduced. Okay, now, and this disease emphysema disease is mainly caused by the cigarette smoking. It is also important point. Okay, now emphysema disease is mainly caused by the cigarette smoking. Okay, so here asthma, bronchitis and emphysema, these three diseases comes under chronic obstructive pulmonary diseases, COPDs. Okay, COPD is nothing but what? Chronic obstructive pulmonary diseases. Asthma, bronchitis, then emphysema. So these three respiratory disorder comes under chronic obstructive respiratory pulmonary diseases, COPDs. And one more respiratory disorder, that is fourth, pneumonia. So here the infection of lungs. Okay, now mainly it is caused by the bacteria, that is Streptococcus pneumonia. So it is not only caused by the bacteria but also virus also, and fungi like virus like Haemophilus influenza virus, and mainly caused by the bacteria, that is Streptococcus pneumonia. So here the inflammation of lungs. So here the lungs are affected, and accumulation of mucus in alveoli. Okay, now so inflammation of lungs, or the lungs are affected, and accumulation of mucus in alveoli. Okay, now Then next, breathing rate is very poor. So in this deceased person, breathing rate is very poor. So it leads to death also. Okay. So it is fourth important respiratory disorder, that is pneumonia. Clear? Then next, occupational respiratory disorder. So what are the occupational respiratory disorder means? You have to observe some industries, especially stone breaking, then mining industries, and from quarries. Okay now, and here so much dust is produced, and long-term exposure can give rise to inflammation leading to fibrosis and as well as severe lung diseases. So it means respiratory organs are affected. So what are the occupational disorders? Mainly asbestosis, occupational disorder, asbestosis. So this disease is mainly caused by the long exposure to asbestos dust. Okay now, asbestos dust in the people working in asbestos industries. Okay now, so that is asbestosis, first occupational disorder. Then next, silicosis. It is also occupational disorder. So it is mainly caused by the long exposure of silica dust. Okay now, silica dust in the people working in mining industries and quarries. Okay now, mining industries and quarries. Mining industries and quarries. Okay now, so asbestosis, it is mainly caused by the asbestos dust. Okay now, silicosis due to silica dust. Then next, siderosis. So here the deposition of inhaled iron particles in tissues. Deposition of inhaled iron particles in tissues. Deposition of inhaled iron particles in tissues, and it can cause the different types of siderosis also, like pneumoconiasis, hyperferemia, and hemosiderosis. Different types of siderosis: pneumoconiasis, then hyperferemia, and hemosiderosis. Then next, block lung disease. So it is mainly caused by the inhalation of coal dust. Okay now, coal dust, and this disease is mainly common in that is long-term mining workers. Okay now, this disease is mainly common in long-term mining workers, like mining industries, that is black coal. Okay now, so these are the 4 different types of occupational respiratory disorder: asbestosis, then silicosis, siderosis, then next block lung disease, asthma, bronchitis, emphysema, and pneumonia. Okay, right. Thank you, students.